In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show and hide grid lines in your document, a handy feature that can assist you in aligning your content precisely with ease. By the end of this guide, you'll have a firm grasp of toggling grid lines on and off, allowing you to enhance the organization and presentation of your document layout. Let's dive right in. To show grid lines, you'll first want to navigate to the View tab on the ribbon. For those unfamiliar, the ribbon is the toolbar at the top of your document interface that houses various tabs and options to help manage and format your document. The View tab is specifically tailored for options related to how you view your document on your screen. Once you're in the View tab, focus your attention on the Show group. This section contains several options that allow you to tweak the visibility of certain elements within your document workspace. Among these options, you'll see a checkbox labeled Grid Lines. To make the grid lines visible in your document, simply click to check this box. Instantly, you'll notice that a grid appears on your document screen. These grid lines serve as a visual guide, making it significantly easier to align text, graphics, tables, or any other content with precision. Notably, while helpful for organization on screen, these grid lines do not print out, so your final printed document will remain clean and crisp without any visible lines. If there comes a time when you wish to declutter your document view and you no longer need the grid lines, hiding them is just as simple. You'll again want to start by going to the View tab on the ribbon, which should feel familiar by now. Look for the Show group once more, where you previously enabled the grid lines. This time, you'll need to uncheck the same Grid Lines box. Doing this will remove the grid lines from your view, allowing you to focus solely on the content of your document without any additional visual elements interfering. A quick tip to keep in mind: if you frequently find yourself toggling grid lines on and off, it might be worth memorizing the process or creating a custom shortcut for even quicker access. This efficiency can be particularly useful in maintaining a smooth workflow. And there you have it, a straightforward method to manage grid lines, enhancing how you interact with your document workspace. Whether you're working on a complex design project or simply aligning a few images, having control of grid line visibility is an invaluable tool. Remember, practice makes perfect. As you grow more comfortable with these features, you'll find that they greatly enhance your ability to produce neatly aligned and professional-looking documents. Keep exploring the various tools available, and you'll keep unlocking new ways to improve your document creation and management skills.